Good morning class. Today I will explain the last portion of the chapter proposal, book first flight. Chubukov, yes really, what sort of hunter are you? Anyway, you ought to sit at home with your palpitation. Chubukov is laughing over the Lomov and he caused that you cannot be a hunter because you always complain about your heart disease, palpitation. You should sit at home, not to go tracking animals, and you should not go for hunting animals. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with people and interfere with their dogs and so on. Let's change the subject in case I lose my temper. You are not a hunter at all anyway. Chubukov says that you cannot be a hunter. You always go only to interfere with their dogs. And he says that if I will talk much about you, then I will lose my temper and I will become angry upon you. So I am going to change the topic. Lomov. And are you hunter? You only go hunting to get in with the count and intrigue. Oh my heart, you are an intriguer. Intrigue means conspiracy, षड्यंत्र. Intriguer means षड्यंत्रकारी. Lomov says that you are also not a hunter. You always go with count for hunting, but there you only conspire. Chubukov, what? I am an intriguer? Shouts, shut up. Chubukov gets angry and he says to Lomov, shut up. Lomov, intriguer, you are a conspirator. Chubukov, boy pup, you are a boy pup. Lomov, old rat and Jesuit. Lomov said to Chubukov that you are old rat. They are just using vulgar words for each other. Chubukov, shut up or I shall shoot you like a patridge. Patridge means teether, you fool. Chubukov said that shut up otherwise I will kill you just like a patridge. Lomov, everybody knows that, oh my heart, your late wife used to beat you. And my feet, temples, sparks, I fall. Lomov says that Chubukov, your late wife used to beat you, everybody knows it well. And thereafter he starts shouting my feet, my temples, my sparks, because he is going to fall due to the attack of the palpitation. Chubukov, and you are under the slipper of your housekeeper. Chubukov also accuses Lomov that you always had been under the slipper of your housekeeper. Lomov, theirs, and my heart burst. My soldiers came off. Where is my soldier? Die. Falls into an armchair, a doctor. Then Lomov falls down in an armchair and he is feeling very uneasy. He says that where is my soldier, because he is not feeling his soldier in his body. Chubukov, boy, milksop, fool, I am sick. Drinks water, sick. Chubukov says that you are a milksop, coward, you are fool, you always call yourself sick. Now take water and drink, sick man. Natalia, what sort of hunter are you? You cannot even sit on horse. To her father, Papa, what's the matter with him? Papa, look at Papa. Screams, Ivan Vaslovich, he is dead. Natalia first says that you cannot be a hunter, but seeing the condition of Lomov, her inner love arouses and she says to her father, look at him seriously, he is going to die. Chubukov, I am sick, I cannot breathe here. Chubukov is feeling very irritated to the request of Natalia. Natalia, he is dead. Pulls Lomov sleeps. Ivan Vaslovich, what have you done to me? He is dead. Falls into the armchair. Doctor, doctor. And Levan Vaslovich falls down on the chair. And Natalia gets very excited, very nervous, seeing the condition of the Ivan Vaslovich, because really she loves him, but due to quarrelsome nature she has forgotten that one. And his tricks, and Natalia feels that she falls in his tricks. चक्कर खाकर गिर जाती है. चुबू को, वो, what is it? What's the matter? Natalia wails. Wails means cries. He is dead. He is dead. Chubukov, who is dead? Looks at Lomov. So he is, my word, water, a doctor. Lift a tumbler to Lomov's mouth. Chubukov lift a tumblers. Tumblers means a glass to his mouth, and he gives him water to drink. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead and all that. I am the most unhappy man. Why don't I put bullet into my brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife. Give me a pistol. Lomov moves. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water, that's right. Chubukov is irritated because Lomov is at dead condition. He is not moving. And at this, Natalia started crying. He curses himself. I am very unfortunate father, and to be the father of a grown-up daughter, it is very sad for father, because first they will quarrel and at last they will compel me. I am very unfortunate father. Give me gun. I will kill myself. Then Lomov moves. Then Chubukov gives water to drink Lomov. Lomov, I see stars, mist, where I am. Lomov is not in fully conscious. He is feeling uneasy and he sees stars, mist, and he cannot recognize where he is. Chubukov, hurry up and get married, and well to devil with you. She is willing. He puts Lomov's hand into his daughter's. She is willing and all that. And I give my blessing and so on. Only leave me in peace. Chubukov gives the hand of his daughter Natalia to Lomov and says that now go and marry both of you and leave me in peace, because you will always keep on quarreling and you will create problem for me. Lomov getting up. Ah, words to whom? Chubukov, she is willing. She, well, kiss and be damned to you. Chubukov says that kiss each other and go from here. Natalia wails. She cries, he is alive. Yes, yes, I am willing. Natalia also accepts that yes, she is ready to marry with Lomov. Chubukov, kiss each other. Lomov, ah, kiss whom? They kiss very nice too. Excuse me. What's it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart starts. I'm happy. Natalia Stepnova kisses her hand and my foot is gone to sleep. Lomov is half conscious and he is complaining about his palpitation, but he is happy and he kisses the hand of Natalia. Natalia, I am happy too. Chubukov, what a weight of my soldier out. Chubukov says that now my soldier is without weight. Otherwise, I had the weight of my daughter, burden of my daughter on my soldiers. Now Chubukov felt again relieved and relaxed. Natalia, but still you will admit now that guess is worse than squeezer. Once again, Natalia says that guess is worse than squeezer. Lomov better than squeezer, worse than squeezer. Chubukov says, well, that's the way to start your family. Bliss, have some sample. Chubukov says that you will start your family only by quarreling. So, have a sampan. Sampan is a kind of wine or beer. Then he opens the sampan and Lomov, it's better. Natalia, worse, worse, worse. Chubukov trying to shout her down. Sampan, Sampan. Both were saying better and worse, and Chubukov says that Sampan, Sampan, and thus Lomov and Natalia got married, and Chubukov felt a great relax and peace because a burden has gone from his hand.